Love again.
So much passion in your voice. All right, so anywho, we are going to be doing the new updated challenges. They are the Gerald of Rivia. Gerald, The Witcher challenges. The first one we're doing is defeat the boss. Oh my god, I'm landing nowhere near it. Okay, you emo. I was talking and I forgot where I was dropping. Now we're gonna try to defeat the boss. I'm landing right about there. Emo in the throne room, like where he normally is. Kill him and then emo in the throne room. We don't necessarily. Oh my god, you scared me. I don't know why. Like I saw your name above you, but I still like didn't rule out that your skin was the robot. Never mind. I'm going down.
Did you do the emote?
I don't know where these people are, but there's a lot of people here. I mean, emo.
I think this.
That's not in the third room. No. I gotta get further in, like right here. There you go. That's one. Emote.
It didn't work. Oh, now it did.
There you go. All right, emo in the throne room. There's also people here, so watch out. Oh my god, there's so much noise in my headset. How is someone rebooting already? All right. Come here. We have to kill the boss.
I'm doing something. I'm marking some people for you.
Okay. There's so many things going on. Do you know where the boss is? So, because someone else can't kill the boss, we have to kill him. Someone's just landing here? Oh, they got rebooted. Crazy times.
Then we have to go fast.
1 second. Nice, good job. He's right behind you. We gotta kill him. Okay, go get him. Get him. Nice. Yeah, it worked for me too. All right, someone out, like a real person. Real people are here.
Right here.
Oh my god.
Right behind you.
Oh, I tried my best.
At least we did the challenges.
At least we did the challenges. So we died the last game, but we're going right back in, still trying to complete these challenges, and we are going to be doing the deal melee weapon damage to opponents. We're going to land on the same person, and we're going to pickaxe them to death. All right.
We have to do that?
Yep. Oh, get him.
I'm going to trap him.
Come here, Travis Scott.
Travis Scott.
Okay, pickaxe him so you can get some points. There you go. Nice.
That didn't count.
Oh, yeah.
It actually did.
Yeah,
that was enough.
All right.
I still have to pickaxe somebody.
Where are these guys at?
First, we have to survive.
Yes, we do. Come here. I think there's a special chest in here somewhere. Right here. Want to get it?
What's it?
Right here. Oh my god. Who shot you? Oh my god.
You killed him. You killed yourself.
Oh my god. What do you guys think about this slurp being back? What is it? What do they technically call it? What is this? Yeah, slurp fish.
In Fortnite, we used to have something like that.
Yeah, we had the same exact thing. It was just
that is
they brought it back. Let me know if you were around in the comments whenever they first came out with slurp juice. I know I was. Let me know if you were. There was also a challenge to complete a bounty. Oh, they're coming.
You have time. Our bounty's right here.
Oh my god. Where are these people at? What song was that? I'm more curious on what song that is. Oh my god. I'm too agile. Jesus, stay alive for us. Oh.
You're behind me. No.
We tried. What other challenges do we have left? Melee damage only did 20. We can complete bounties, which we have 2 more to do. We can try to complete bounties and do melee damage for the next game. All right, so we have complete the bounty, 2 more left, and we have melee damage. So let's you know, I have an idea. For the melee damage, let's wait until the very end and wait for the people that are not active in the game to land, and then we'll pickaxe them when they land. Okay?
I want to do it too.
Here, do it.
I want to do him down.
There you go. Pro tip: just wait for someone to fall and pickaxe them.
Here.
Oh, let's get him. I have a gun too. That's a bot. We might be able to get away with pickaxing him. Go get him. Pickaxe him. But I have 16 health. If I accidentally get... Oh, God. Come on, be cool. Be cool.
Yeah, by a hammer.
Pickaxe him. Ooh, let me heal. Oh, my God. Come on, be cool. Nice, got one. All right, so far, pickaxing all those bots and the person that wasn't paying attention, we have so much more work to do. Let's go get a bounty. If we complete this bounty, then... Wait, did we just...
No, it just counts. It counts. Oh. We don't even need our bounty to dead.
Oh, like someone else killed him and we got the credit?
Yeah.
Easy enough. Pro tip, let someone else do your bounty and it'll count.
Pro tip!
Pro tip. Look at all these pro tips that are just so obvious. We gotta pickaxe someone and collect the bounty.
People over here.
Make sure to try to find a bounty if you can find it. All right, let's start heading that way.
No, after this one, that's our last one. Then we're done.
What? I know,
after
but
this
I know.
Bounty, I'm done.
Oh, you're right. I didn't even know we had a bounty. Man, I'm all over the place. I will come help do the last one.
Knock all the people I can.
Knocked them up top.
That's a bounty.
Yep.
No, wait, no, that's not.
I'm gonna pickaxe our bounty to death. Yes! Dead. Here is the pickaxe, or I guess the back bling. Sorry, back bling. Looks great. It's the crossbow with 2, the monster and human sword. Pretty cool. And then you have the emote, which is pretty cool.
What's the mystery stuff? I wonder what it is. Can we find love again?
So much passion in your voice. Alright, so anywho, for this one, we just have to pickaxe people with... Whoa, so loud. We're going to pickaxe people here in this Rumble game, and then we're going to try to activate one of those special perks. That's what we call them. And that'll be a good chunk for this Rumble game. And then we can go into a final duo game, and then all we'll have to do is activate one more of those perks, and that's it.
One of those again?
Ooh,
people!
Just died, but I'm gonna go back in and just keep... I'm gonna land on your truck. Now let's keep on going. Keep on going. Go. Jump by. Okay, got him. Okay. Did he die?
Got him what? Yeah.
Oh.
Can you get that key for me?
I will give it to you the second you get here.
Oh, people.
What? Be cool. Can we take turns? Ah! Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Hey, guy.
You're so low, guys. You're the whole person doing that. Because you do the same challenge. Ooh!
Where'd this guy go?
219!
I didn't do it. I feel like I hit him 100 times. Oh, did I do it?
I'm at 330! Where you at?
I'm like 2 points away. Did I kill someone? Did I do it?
No, that was,
I don't know what's happening.
Else. Get him.
I'm an area. Oh, look. Oh.
We did it!
Try and drive up here. Here, I'll keep on going. Ready? See how high you can go. Oh my god. I can't run. Go. Keep on going. Everything will be fine. Let's wait. All right, just like that, we got the wallpaper, we got officially the skin, the sword, the back bling, the emote. So yeah, If you want the easy way, do it in Rumble.
Now can you ready up?